Welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Maths with Meghana. In the series of LBA solution, day 5, in the last video, we discussed about the 4 marks questions of chapter 2 polynomials. This is the last series, that is day 6. We can discuss the 5 marks question. Answer the following questions, 5 marks questions. Question number 64. Prove that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x the whole square. Here I have to prove the LHS equal to RHS, or I can take RHS and I can prove that it as LHS. So here I am taking the LHS, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Here you know the formula, x cube plus y cube can be written as x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, like that only. Here we have 3 terms, so I can write it as x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus 3xyz. Now by doing the grouping, I can write x cube plus y cube minus 3xy into x plus y plus z cube minus 3xyz. Now again in the next step I can do the grouping. So here we have 2 terms, x plus y cube. So I can make it as group. So x plus y whole cube plus z cube minus 3xy into x plus y minus 3xyz. So x plus y plus z whole cube minus 3z into x plus y into x plus y plus z minus 3xy into x plus y plus z. In the next step I can write x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z the whole square minus 3z into x plus y minus 3xyz. So I can write half into x plus y plus z into 2 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xz minus zy minus xy. Here 2 I have taken as common. Now here we have 2x, 2y and 2z. We can do the grouping. So I can write half into x plus y plus z into 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2zx minus 2zy minus 2xy. So I will get the RHS part, that is half into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. This is the first method. Another method, you can take the RHS as half into x plus y plus z into x plus or x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x the whole square. Here you can apply the formula of a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here minus is given, so you can take it as minus 2ab. Then also you are getting the similar answer itself. So this is regarding question number 64. This question is very important question for your examination. It is given directly for the 5 marks. The next question, expand the following. So question number 65, all the 4 different factors are given in the question here. We have written the expanded form. So this is regarding the formula we already discussed here. It is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, or you can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. B, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, or you can write a square plus b square minus 2ab also. C, a plus b plus c whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. D, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. And last one, E, a minus b whole cube can be written as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So this is the very important formula, not only given in the expanded form, also given in the factors form, and also it is used in the problem also. This is regarding question number 65. So this is question number 66. This is the last question of the LBA series. That is, write the factors of the following. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc can be written as a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus ac minus bc. So this b, it is the identity 8 which is given in your textbook as x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So it is related to same identity 8th only. This is already given in your textbook. You can check that. Last one, a raised to 4 plus a square b square plus b raised to 4 can be written as a square plus ab plus b square into a square minus ab plus b square. So this is question number 65 and 66 is very important identities. You have to go through the chapter polynomial.